Ever heard of affiliate programs? These are forms of internet advertising that rewards the affiliates for driving traffic to the advertiser or for other transactions. The advertiser pays the affiliate to place a link on their website, and the affiliate sends traffic to the advertiser in return. Simply put, it's about paying commissions to people who help you make sales. It's that easy. Not. Affiliate marketing has its ups and downs. It could be draining if you are not armed with updated information and technical how-tos. But this article's sole objective is to reach out to you and not to badmouth affiliate marketing. Here are the following reasons why web marketers go gaga over affiliate marketing as a form of internet advertisement. 1. Low cost. Many are scared to go on a home-based business because of the capital required. In affiliate marketing, you don't have to spend much to start raking in moolah. 2. Inventories not included. Product management fuss could be very stressful. An inventory is not asked to be maintained. The merchant does the maintenance required. 3. Unlimited income through leverage. When you have a paid job, your monthly income mainly relies on whether you go to work or not. With affiliate marketing, your affiliates could all just lead traffic to your site without having to lift a finger after providing them your ad copy and links. Though not every web marketer earns limitless, it still is a fact that all the necessary matters for the advertiser or internet marketer are all there to be successful. 4. Go worldwide. With affiliate marketing, you are dealing with a global marketplace. All you have to do is choose a niche product and prepare all the necessary tools for your affiliates to lead traffic from just about anywhere to your website. 5. Low risk. The very main reason for internet marketers' enthusiasm with affiliate marketing is having a low risk factor. Especially for those with low budgets set aside for advertising, affiliate marketing is just the way to do it. 6. No closing time. With affiliate marketing, your business works every single second of the day while targeting a worldwide market. What could be better than that? But all of these will be put to waste if you don't have the right niche product and all the other important tools to make it big in affiliate marketing, i.e., well SEO-ed website. So better work on this first before ever considering those benefits. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.